Today I'm using simple PVA bag rig. It's about 3 inches long. Hey. That's it. Here he is. Lovely little two-tone. That didn't take long. Wait up. Look at that. Such a nice day to be playing a fish. PVA bag fishing in the spring is definitely one of my favourite tactics. Just had a double take. Very happy with that result. This is the first one, that double take. Lovely little mirror. Here is the second mirror of the double take. I will take that any day of the week.